Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity, where innovation is at its peak. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 7 cybersecurity projects of 2023 that are making waves in protecting the digital landscape. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to ensure their online safety, stick around to learn about these cutting-edge projects that are changing the game. Let's get started. Cloud security. As more businesses move their data and applications to the cloud, it's important to ensure that cloud environments are secure. This can include using encryption to protect data, implementing access controls, and monitoring for unusual activity. Identity and Access Management, IAM. In 2023, Identity and Access Management, IAM, continues to play a crucial role in safeguarding digital assets. IAM encompasses the meticulous orchestration of user identities and resource accessibility. Robust measures such as password protocol enforcement, role-centric access governance, and vigilant scrutiny of unusual behavior form the cornerstone of IAM. By intricately managing identities and permissions, organizations fortify their cybersecurity framework, ensuring that only authorized individuals traverse the digital landscape while potential threats remain at bay. Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. In 2023, Security Information and Event Management, SIEM, systems continue to play a vital role in safeguarding businesses. By adeptly collecting and analyzing data from diverse sources, SIEM systems empower companies to promptly detect and counteract security incidents. This technology serves as a vigilant sentinel, enabling enterprises to proactively identify potential threats and mount swift responses, bolstering overall cybersecurity measures and fostering a resilient digital environment. Data Loss Prevention, DLP. In 2023, Data Loss Prevention, DLP, has emerged as a critical safeguard. It encompasses strategic measures and technological solutions aimed at curbing the inadvertent or malicious loss, theft, or exposure of sensitive information. Employing encryption, vigilant activity monitoring, and controlled data access are pivotal components in this proactive defense, ensuring that confidential data remains intact and shielded from unauthorized access or dissemination. Cyber Threat Intelligence. In 2023, cyber threat intelligence has emerged as a pivotal defense strategy. By meticulously gathering and scrutinizing data on potential cyber threats, experts gain crucial insights into attackers' tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs. This knowledge serves as a powerful tool, enhancing defensive measures and fortifying against impending attacks. Through the proactive utilization of cyber threat intelligence, organizations are poised to navigate the digital landscape with heightened resilience and readiness. Penetration testing. In the realm of cybersecurity in 2023, penetration testing takes center stage. By harnessing the power of simulated cyber attacks, organizations delve deep into their systems to unearth vulnerabilities. This proactive approach aids businesses in pinpointing weak spots, enabling them to bolster their security stance. Through the art of penetration testing, a resilient defense is forged, fortifying enterprises against the ever-evolving digital threats that loom on the horizon. Incident Response Planning. In 2023, incident response planning has evolved into a paramount aspect of cybersecurity. It encompasses meticulous preparations for potential cyber threats through a comprehensive action blueprint. This strategy involves recognizing pivotal stakeholders, erecting robust communication frameworks, and delineating precise protocols tailored to address a diverse array of potential incidents. By implementing these projects, businesses can improve their security posture and protect themselves from the ever-growing threat of cyber attacks. If you are interested in learning more about cybersecurity projects, there are many resources available online and in libraries. You can also find cybersecurity training courses and certifications that can help you develop the skills you need to implement these projects in your organization.